Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to install Avast Antivirus in Windows 10 or 11. So open any web browser, search here Avast Antivirus, click on this official link. Here in this homepage of Avast you will see free antivirus is your first step to online freedom. Next you have to click on download free protection. Complete installation by clicking your downloaded file below and following the instruction. So double click on it. This is the instruction. Click this file to start installing Avast. If it will ask permission, so click on yes. Now wait for a few seconds till this installing process will complete. If your download didn't start automatically, please click here. Once that complete, click on install. Now installing process is running. Wait for a few seconds. Once this process complete, start to use this Avast antivirus. Thanks for watching and click on description video. There I will show you how to use properly Avast antivirus. So thanks for watching.